In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how many subscribers you have on Substack. Whether you're an experienced publisher or just getting started, knowing your subscriber count and understanding who your audience is can significantly enhance your content strategy. Let's dive into the steps that will help you manage your subscriber list efficiently. First, head over to your publications dashboard. This is your control center on Substack, where you can manage everything related to your newsletter. Once you're logged in, finding this section should be straightforward. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this platform. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you won't find it difficult to navigate after your first few visits. Next, click on the Subscribers tab at the top of the dashboard. This tab is your gateway to viewing detailed subscriber information. It's a crucial component because it provides a clear overview of who is following your content. Clicking on this tab will take you to a section where all your subscriber details are neatly displayed. Once there, you will see a list of all your subscribers. This is where you can find essential information such as their email addresses and subscription details. Take note of who your most engaged readers are, as these are the people who often contribute to your publication's success. Relational understanding of your audience's preferences can help you tailor your content. When it comes to the specifics of this list, you can customize the displayed columns to fit your needs. By clicking the display button, you have the ability to select what information you want to be shown. Options such as subscription type, activity, and revenue can offer valuable insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Customizing these columns can help you understand which types of content your subscribers engage with the most. Additionally, use the filters option to segment your subscribers. This feature is incredibly powerful for targeting specific groups within your audience. Perhaps you want to see only those who recently subscribed, or maybe those who are not as active. It allows you to sort subscribers based on criteria like subscription status or activity level. This segmentation can help you craft more personalized and effective communication strategies. By following these steps, you not only learn how to count your subscribers on Substack, but also gain the ability to analyze and understand your audience better. With these insights, you can refine your content strategy, enhance engagement, and ultimately grow your subscriber base. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these tools to make the most of your Substack experience.